I found massage when I was in a really low place in my life. I was lost and young and bartending and had no idea what I wanted to do. And I happened to get a little flyer for a massage therapy open house. And I thought massage was just foo-foo massage on cruise ships, not really anything that I was interested in. When I went to this open house, they were doing oncology massage. And so it was helping people with cancer. And I felt really inspired and lit up about this idea that massage therapy could really help people. And so I enrolled in massage therapy school that very next day. What I love most about massage is that it gives people a way to connect to their body and this quiet space and this sense of peace inside. And it also gives us a way to experience all of life. And when we feel really great in our body, then we're out doing the things that we love and the things that we enjoy. And so I feel like helping people through massage gives them a way to enjoy and live life in a more fulfilling way. And I feel really strong and passionate about helping people out of a sense of pain and into a sense of joy and peace and calm. I'm also really drawn to helping people move out of anxiety or stress or even depression and find that sense of happiness through their physical body and in their heart and in their mind. That their body is miraculous just the way it is. And even when you think that it is broken and beat up or not working, it's actually pure perfection. And sometimes with just a little guidance and nudging in the right direction, your body will heal and become a healthier version of itself. And so I really want people to know that they already are a miracle just the way that they are, and that the body is here to just support that miracle. You know, some of the most important things in life are human touch and connection. And, you know, massage is just our tool, but our company and all of our therapists and everybody within it is really about that human touch and connection and building relationships. And that's the most important thing. When we're all feeling great and supporting each other, we just ripple that effect out. And so massage is the way that we do that. It's the way that we connect and interact with humans. And it's the way that we see that we're going to make a positive change and impact on the rest of the world.